Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger cab. First, gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, an engine hoist, and a complete set of wrenches. Next, prioritize safety by disconnecting the vehicle's battery and draining all fluids, such as coolant and brake fluid. Finally, remove interior components like the seats, center console, and dashboard to access mounting points and wiring. Now, let's disconnect everything connecting the cab to the chassis. Carefully detach all electrical connectors and wiring harnesses, ensuring no wires are left attached. Next, disconnect the fuel lines, brake lines, and any other fluid hoses running to or from the cab. Finally, remove the steering column and any shifter linkages to completely free the cab from its operational connections. With all connections detached, it's time to unbolt the cab. Locate and remove the 6 to 8 cab mounting bolts, typically found along the frame rails. Ensure all ground straps and body mounts are completely detached from the chassis. Before attempting to lift, perform a thorough double check for any overlooked connections, wires, or hoses that might still be attached. Finally, it's time to safely lift the cab. Utilize an engine hoist or a forklift equipped with appropriate lifting straps, ensuring the weight is evenly distributed. Slowly and carefully raise the cab, making sure it clears all chassis components, including the engine and transmission. Once clear, move the cab to a secure, level surface for storage or further work on the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.